all go to the book of Ephesians, chapter 6, verse 10.
The book of Ephesians, chapter number 6, verse 10, NIV version. Finally, be strong in the Lord and His mighty power. Put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes. For our struggles is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers and against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms. Therefore, put on the full armor of God, so that when the day of evil comes, you may be able to stand your ground. And after you have done everything, to stand. Stand firm then, with the belt of truth buckled around your waist, with the breastplate of righteousness in place, and with your feet fitted with the readiness that comes from the gospel of peace. In addition to all this, take up the shield of faith, with which you can extinguish all the flaming arrows of the evil one. Take the helmet of salvation and the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God.
Uti put on the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil. Until we do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but we wrestle against principalities, against powers, against rulers of the darkness, and the wickedness of the heavenly places. Apinda ati, take all the armor of God, that you may be able to withstand in the evil day. When we read on verse 14, to stand. I don't know how many stands are in here. What does stand mean? Stand means to have or to maintain an upright position. Stand in your position.
Paul was trying to say he meant when you are standing, there's something that you need to wear or put on.
Therefore, take the armor of God. Take the belt of truth. The breastplate of righteousness. Having shod for your feet with the preparation of the gospel of peace. Taking the shield of faith, the helmet of salvation, the sword, which is the Spirit. Now, the word of God. Above all, remain standing. When we read in Genesis, we know that God has put man in the Garden of Eden. For a reason and commanded him on what to do. Okay, this is what you are supposed to eat and this is not what you are supposed to eat. He commanded him and give him instruction and say, and the enemy lied and said, no, you will be wise like God. And the woman listened to the enemy. Hallelujah. And he gave and she gave the fruit to the men to eat. And they saw that they were naked. The enemy lied. Uthini Paul Ephesians?
What does Paul say in the book of Ephesians?
Put the belt of truth. The enemy lied is the father of lies. And Eve, they moved to the position
where God has placed them. And God arrived.
In the cool of the day.
And he asked, where are you, Adam?
I am not seeing where I have put
and
it. Adam, where are you? The enemy came. And they moved.
And then now he lied and was
Who told you?
what does the word of God say
About your life. The enemy will shift you.
where God has placed you
to your destiny. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Let's stand.
Now Paul says no matter what comes your way, but the word of God, keep the word of God, because it speaks the truth about our lives. What does the word says
about your life? What does the word say about your life? Be not moved. Be not be shaken by what the enemy might say to your life. Ingaba, how many lies will listen? From the enemy.
We are being equipped
because we don't read the word of God. We have filled our minds with something else, replacing the word that will sustain us.
Let us stand therefore
in your right position.
Let us stand
so that you may withstand.
that Paul said
No matter
what storms may come, but you'll be able to stand. Where are you? When God arrives, I've placed Adam here. Where is he?
Hiding away from the presence. Hiding away from safety. Hiding away from his destiny.
Because if you move from your position,
you feel naked and ashamed.
the devil remove everything.
Let us not be moved nor shaken with anything that may come along the way.
When it arrives, let us be standing.
Because our fight is in the matter of the spirit and not flesh.
Yinto kamoya not